Alright, today is Saturday and I'm about to make my attempt to cut this floor to get it ready for a new floor. As you can see, this is where I drew the lines to go along it. Yeah, this is a rotten freaking floor. This whole boat is rotten. It is rotten. So I'm gonna make my attempt. I got my stuff through. And this is my first time doing this, so I'm gonna see how good it turns out. Got my marks, my saw, ready to go, and it's freaking hot. Alright, I just finished cutting, and this is my first time doing it. 23 Seacraft project. So I'm gonna see now if I could rip some of this up and how good it lift up. Boy, Blanche, according to this, well, this section, what I see, like I only had one layer of fiberglass on that, which was the top. See? As I pull that off, it just fell through. Oh boy, that's a project.